Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of getting started with Azure OpenAI and using GPT models in approximately 6 minutes. This will include creating an Azure account, setting up the OpenAI resource, and running a simple code example. Step 1. Create an Azure account. 1. Sign up for Azure *. Go to the Azure website, https://azure.microsoft.com. Click on Start Free to create a free account if you don't have one already. Microsoft often provides a credit for new users. Step 2. Create an OpenAI resource. 1. Log into the Azure portal *. After creating your account, log into the Azure portal, https://portal.azure.com. 2. Create a new resource *. Click on Create a resource. Search for OpenAI in the marketplace and select Azure OpenAI Service. Click Create. 3. Configure the resource *. Fill in the necessary details. Subscription *. Choose your subscription. Resource group *. Create a new resource group or select an existing one. Region *. Choose a region that supports Azure OpenAI. Name *. Give your OpenAI resource a unique name. Click Review plus Create, and then create once validation passes. Step 3. Get API keys. 1. Access keys *. After the resource is created, navigate to it. Look for the Keys and Endpoint section in the left-hand menu. Copy the endpoint and key, you will need these for API calls. Step 4. Set up your development environment. 1. Install required libraries *. Make sure you have Python installed. If you don't, download it from the Python website, https://www.python.org. Install the requests library, if you haven't already. Bash. Pip install requests. Step 5. Write code to call the GPT model. Here's a simple Python script that uses the Azure OpenAI API to interact with the GPT model. Python. Import requests. Import JSON. Replace with your Azure OpenAI endpoint and key. Endpoint equals https://yourresourcename.openai.azure.com/ API_key equals your API key. Model equals GPT-35 Turbo. Choose the model you want to use. Define the headers and data for the request. Headers equals content type, application/JSON. API key, API_key. Create the payload. Data equals model. Messages. Role, user, content, hello, how can I use Azure OpenAI? Max_tokens, 50. Make the request to the API. Response equals requests.post. F endpoint OpenAI/deployments/models/chat/completions, API version equals 2023-05-15. Headers equals headers. JSON equals data. Check if the request was successful. If response.status_code equals 200. Parse and print the response. Result equals response.json. Print, response from GPT model. Print, result choices 0 message content. Else. Print, F error, response.status_code, response.text. Step 6, run the code. 1. Execute the script *. Save the script in a file called Azure_OpenAI_example.py. Run the script using Python. Bash. Python Azure _ OpenAI _ example.py. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully set up Azure OpenAI and made your first request to the GPT model. This basic example can be expanded upon with more complex prompts and handling multiple interactions. Explore the Azure OpenAI documentation, https://learn.microsoft.com/n-azure/cognitive-services/OpenAI, for more advanced features and capabilities. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.